Alrighty, let's jump into a word problem here. The indoor climbing gym is a popular field trip destination. This year, the senior class at High School A and the senior class at High School B both planned field trips there. The senior class at High School A rented and filled 9 vans, 9 buses with 549 students. High School B rented and filled 9 vans, 13 buses with 765 students. Every van had the same number of students Every van had the same number of students in it as did the buses. Find the number of students in each van and in each bus. Well, it's a lot of information. Let's start by making some equations. So I know that there's 2 things going on here, High School A and High School B. High School A, I know, has a total of, if I'm looking here, 549 students. And they filled 9 vans, so I'm going to say 9V, plus 9 buses, so I'm going to say 9B. For High School B, they brought 765 students. And they filled, again, 9 vans, so 9V, plus 13 buses, 13B. Alrighty, now looking at this, you can solve it any way you want. I am thinking to myself, man, these are really close to matching. It would be nice if I could times this whole thing by -1, and then these guys would cancel. So I think I'm going to solve this one by elimination. So again, here I've got a positive 9, a negative 9. A positive 9. It'd be nice if this was a negative 9. It's not right now, unfortunately, but maybe we can get it there. All right, let's jump into this. If I multiply this whole equation by -1, and by the way, you can solve this any way you want. You could graph this, you could substitute, you could use elimination. You could use elimination and multiply this one by -1. Who cares? There's a bunch of ways to solve this. I just looked at it and thought elimination might be easiest for me, so that's how I'm choosing to solve it. Okay, so this is going to be 549 equals 9V plus 9B. And then after my distribution, this is going to be negative 765 equals negative 9V plus negative 13B. And I didn't need to write that plus sign there. I did just for fun. Alrighty, let me pull out my calculator here and do some mathing. I'm going to say 549 minus 765. That's going to give me negative 216 equals 9 minus 9. Well, that cancels. That's going to give me 0 V's. And then 9 minus 13. Well, that is going to give me negative 4 B's. Alrighty, well now it becomes pretty easy to figure out how many kids were in each bus. We just got to divide each side by -4. Okay, and then that'll cancel. So again, I'm pulling out my calculator here. Divide by -4, divide by -4. That cancels. And then negative 216 divided by -4. If I type that in my calculator, I get that the answer is B equals 54. So 54 kids can fit in each bus. Alrighty, now that I know that B is 54, I can use that to figure out what V equals. I think I'll probably use the top equation, not for any reason, just for fun. The numbers are a little bit smaller, so I'm hoping it'll be a little bit easier. Sometimes it will be, sometimes it won't be. Again, doesn't matter which one you choose. You could have chosen whatever you wanted. So I just chose this one for fun. It's my favorite one out of the 2. Do not tell the other equation. Okay, so then I'll have 9 times, and anywhere I see a B, I can put in a 54 instead. Okay, if I type in on my calculator 9 times 54, I get plus 486. How do I get this 486 off of this side and onto this side? Well, it's a positive, so I bet I'll minus 486 from both sides. So again, I'm pulling out my calculator, and I am typing in 549 minus, again, I'm minusing on both sides. I'm minusing 486 on both sides. Chop, chop. Okay, minus 486. And I get 63. 63 equals 9v. How do I get rid of this times by 9? I divide by 9. So to get rid of times by 9, I'm going to divide by 9. Sorry, it's a little squishy right here. That cancels. V must equal 7. So how many kids can they fit in a van? 7. How many kids can they fit in a bus? 54. Let me know if that didn't help. Good luck. I believe in you.